है गाइस, आज हम एक फंटास्टिक एक बैग लेके आए हैं फ्रॉम एगस्पिक। दैट्स अ बैडमिंटन किट बैग है, तो हम उसके बारे में कुछ जानकारी ले लेते हैं। लेट्स सी आर द फीचर्स ऑफ द बैग, हाउ इट इज न्यूली डेवलप्ड बैग फॉर द यंगस्टर्स, फॉर द जनरेशन, फॉर ऑल द बैडमिंटन प्लेयर्स. So here we have Orca. So is it all in one? Let's find out what all it fits in. Let me show you guys. It has a good fabric. The fabric is very light, smooth, shinier. Even the print is very good. There is an embossed print of Tiger Smith, the logo. और काफ़ी एक अच्छा सा एक डिज़ाइन है that actually suits the bag, everything. यहाँ पे we have a small pocket here, earpods which I carry everywhere, my cell phones. You can keep your, the space goes till here, entire thing with a one pocket which has a good amount of space. So again goes, your mobile goes in, your earpods, wallets, key, everything goes here. So you can zip it up. Then you have your bag. So one of the main compartment. So this compartment where you can keep your rackets. मैं तो अभी सिर्फ 2 रैकेट्स रखा हूँ. यू कैन कीप अप टू 5 और 6 रैकेट्स, दैट्स अप टू यू. आपको कैसे यूज़ करना है ऐसे आराम से रख सकते हैं. तो द एंटायर बैग हैज़ अ प्रॉपर पैडिंग. देन अगेन कमिंग टू द अनदर कंपार्टमेंट हियर. काफ़ी बड़ा बैग है. सो अनदर कंपार्टमेंट वेयर you can keep all your shuttles, Egasmith shuttles. You can keep it all your water bottles, some of your proteins, your t-shirts. काफ़ी स्पेस है यहाँ पे, तो काफ़ी स्पेस है. So काफ़ी बड़ा एक स्पेस है, then which fits all your needs for the play. So here comes, ये एक ऐसा बैग है, स्पेशली बैग with a shoe compartment. Egasmith is always specialized for giving you shoe compartments in all of the bags. Like they have trekking bags, they have badminton bags, they have gym bags. So all the bags they have shoe compartment. This is a compartment only for the shoes. Separate compartment. See, मैंने तो already मैंने जूता रखा हूँ यहाँ पे. So it can be placed here. So it has a good compartment. तो आराम से आपका बड़ा जूता यहाँ पे फिट हो जाएगा और अच्छे से भी बंद हो जाएगा. एंड इट्स गुड टू गो. द बैग इज गुड टू गो हियर. एंड अनदर थिंग इज यू हैव स्मॉल कंपार्टमेंट हो हियर, सो विच इज स्पेशली फॉर द सेल फोन्स while traveling. Cell phones is specially for the cell phones, so you can use it easily. So bearing would be like this, easy. So the bearing will be just like this. It's good. So इसमें और 7 कलर्स आता है. There will be red, black, indigo, blue and green, and a military one, military green. It's like both single-handed and a carry-on. Okay guys, so we have another bag for you, which is in a basic range, the basic badminton kit bag launched by Egasmith. So let me show you. This is the Shine. It's a basic badminton kit bag for everyone, for all the courts, all the seasons. Easy to carry, bike, cycle, in your car. You're traveling by bus, so it's very handy. A small compact bag, only for your rackets. Not that much of capacity, but it has a good proper space for all your things. So let me show you. तो इसमें क्या आ जाता है कि the first one is a normal basic compartment, a very good big compartment. So your phones, your earpods, wallets, your electrolytes, some drinks. If you want to keep some sachets over here, that will be a good space. Main compartment, इसमें आता है rackets, space for rackets, proper space है. So आप और भी देख सकते हैं कि इसमें और 2-3 रैकेट्स आ सकते हैं. तो बेसिक कंपार्टमेंट ऐसे आ जाता है. और यहाँ पे एक और मेन कंपार्टमेंट है So again we can see a good branding, बहुत बड़ा सा branding है. So very attractive, आपको सब जगह से दिखेगा. It looks very beautiful, sporty. And again ये compartment में same your bottles, your shirts, shuttles, as well as your shoes. So it fits in your shoes, shuttle box, your t-shirts, shorts, some towels, headbands, water bottles, सब कुछ properly easily fit हो जाएगा. Still there is enough space here, very handy for you single. If you're carrying single-handedly, it is very easy to carry it. So you can carry it like this, a single shoulder if you're wearing, a double shoulder if you're wearing this. So this will be the one. So very handy. Look, properly fit हो जाएगा. You see from the side, it fits very well. PVC fabric है, so naturally it's an almost waterproof. So it's good for your rackets. Safe रहेगा. आपका strings अंदर warm रहेंगे. The two bags are here. One is Orca, so which has 7 colors. इसमें 7 colors आ जाएंगे आपको. Very lightweight, a little huge than the Shine. So this is going to be the basic one. You want to go for a tournament, you are a pro player, then my suggestion is you can go for this. Or if you want to buy and keep all your stuffs in one bag, then you can go for a Orca one. मेरा suggestion है, and everything is left to you guys. So links will be on description. It will be available on Amazon, and Shine will be available on Flipkart. Shine will be costing around 599 rupees, and Orca will be costing around 699 rupees. Thank you.